good ground floor already. Hello. You got my pillows ready? I'm ready to sleep. I'll take the back seat.
You want to sit in the back?
No, because I'll be sleeping.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, on the way to Oman. It will be a 4-hour drive. Baka nga 6 kasi may mga stopover pa kami. Dito na ako sa likod. Sige na. So matutulog ako.
Where's me? You don't like? I will talk a lot.
So, I'm traveling with Ivy, Boss MK,
Our boss. You don't
and
you don't like me staying here? I
Anita.
always stay here, ah.
okay, nandito na tayo sa... Nasa tayo, Anita?
Border to ng papuntang Oman.
Border na going to Oman.
Going
Pero
to
nasang Emirate tayo ngayon.
Nasa ano, sir? Sharjah. Sharjah, right? It's far in Sharjah, right?
Fujairah. Fujairah border.
Uy, wala daw.
Oh, border naman ng Oman. So we're going inside. Bawal mag-video. So I'm just doing a little bit of shoot here outside. Pero ganito itsura. Malaking parking lot. At napakatahimik. Ivy, malayo yung itsura. Walang katao-tao, malayo sa itsura ng port ng Batangas papuntang Puerto Galera.
Dami naman yan. Tignan mo naman ang linis.
Sabay mo na araw.
Ay, wait lang, wait.
Go, tara. Dito. Naglalakad ka dito.
Pag ganon?
Oh, hindi, sabayan mo lang ako.
Okay.
Sige na, go. Dapat dito ka, wala ni araw. Yan. Go. Okay na. We are at Oman in one of the most beautiful mosques that they have. Wala pa kami sa Grand Mosque. Pero ang ganda. Wow! Ivy, halika dito. I-shoot mo ako. Kailangan mo naglalakad. Parang camera mo. Aywan, yan.
Nasa baba dapat yung kuha na.
Hindi, maganda rin yung malayo. Maganda rin yung kuha mo kanina yung malayo. Tumingin ka sa tumingin ka. Tumingin ka doon.
Ang ganda na eh.
Tingnan mo yung Go. So, we got brought here by Mr. MK. And so, what they call this mosque?
This is also a grand mosque.
I mean
of
the name.
Sohar Grand Mosque.
Sohar Grand Mosque. The entire place is massive. we can still take a video from here. Inside, not anymore.
You can. Even inside you can. What you can do is you can just take one full round video from the beginning.
Yeah, I will.
You can stand here and like take a full.
Hindi na nakita siya. Wala po siya. Hindi nakita.
Ha?
0.5
Wala.
mo nga, nakaano siya. Sige, try mo ulit. Ganda kanya. Ganda ko ganun.
The Grand Mosque. Tingin mo sa taas, Ivy. Tama mo.
Naka-video pa yan, ha? Ituloy mo na lang.
I can take a video.
Yeah, you can.
Wow. I want it. I'll take a shot of the chandelier. Ganda sobra.
And that's a video.
Yeah, so this is the team SP Madrid Dubai. Got tired running up and down.
Hello. Welcome to Oman.
Ganda. So it's time to move to the next destination.
So hot.
Right now, stopover, McDonald's. Kakain kami sa isang exotic na Omani. MK, I'm gonna vlog. So we're now eating at an exotic Omani cuisine. McDo. So kakain kami ngayon sa isang exotic na Omani meal. Ito yun, no? McDonald's. Marami mga food carts dito. So currently nasa McDo dito sa Oman. And pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura sa labas. Habang naghintay lang kami ng pagkain. Yan. So this is parang main road. Main highway na dinadaanan namin from here going all the way back to the border of Fujairah ng UAE. So doon kami tumawid. Tapos nandito lang kami. Hanging out. McDo. After traveling siguro mga ano na to, 2-3 hours na McDo bagsak namin. Hindi Omani dish. McDo meal. Dito na kami Grand Mosque sa Oman. Andun siya oh. And medyo na late na kami. So we are here at the Grand Mosque in Oman and medyo late na kami sa time of prayer. So magmamadali kami. This way? Oh, sorry. Dito na kami Grand Mosque and first time entering a Grand Mosque.
Kita na, sulit tumingin sa mga.
Dito ako sa kung saan yung imam. Dito sa pinakaharapan. So pag nagpe-pray sila, nandito yung parang pinaka-high priest nila. Looking, maybe 10 seconds, and then just put up. Ganda ng landscape. Oh. Nandito kami ngayon sa Muscat. And gusto ko lang sabihin na para siyang may pagkano. It feels like how dun sa ano sa inyo sa Spain, sa Marbella side. Ganda.
The water will be almost half of
Almost what?
half. It will hit here. Yeah. The water will come up.
Okay, so this is life lately. I'm in Oman, in Muscat. At nandito tayo sa parang old side ng Muscat. There's a new side of it and then there's an old side of the city. Tapos ang ganda lang. So where are we now, MK?
We are in Matra, Oman. This is the old Muscat. Basically, this is the province of Matra.
Nice. And then the ships that are docking here are...
These ships which are docked is for the king of Sultan.
Really?
Yes.
I thought they're for tourists. It's just for the king?
That's for the king.
Wow, really? I thought tourist boats are just docking here. So it's just for the king. Oh my. Congratulations, king. Hello guys, we are here now.
Oman! Hello! Welcome to Oman!
Okay, so alam nyo ba yung ship sa likuran ni Anita? Pakita mo.
Yan o.
Yan, okay. So akala ko parang ano yan, tourist, ano ba tawag dyan? Ang tawag dyan? Tourist cruise ship. Ship siya, nagda-dock dito. Tapos yung very typical tourist cruise ships come here, they dock, and then they go around the city. MK, na yung cruise ship na yan ay for the king, for the Sultan King of Oman. So gano'n siya kabig time. But anyway, kamusta mo sila lahat?
Hello! So para sa mga nangangarap dyan na makapunta dito sa...
Ay! Hello guys, after traveling siguro 2-3 hours. 4 hours na, no? After traveling 4 hours. Hello guys, after traveling 4 hours, andito na kami sa...
Oman! Welcome to Oman!
Ay wait, ito yung mic. Wait.
Maganda na nga yung energy ng auntie ko natin.
Guys, after traveling siguro 4 hours, finally nakarating na kami dito sa...
Oman! Welcome to Oman! Woo! Ang ganda ng Oman. As in, sobrang ma-amaze ka. Ma-amaze ka.
Welcome to Oman sa mga kababayan ko dyan. Hello!
Sa mga tita mo sa'yo.
Sa mga tita, tito ko dyan. Kamusta kayo?
Ikaw na yung bagong tita.
Hindi naman, ako na yung bagong super rich tita.
Ay, grabe. Yari ka pag lumabas sa
Nako, lagot
yari ka
ka.
pag lumabas sa social media,
Nako.
panindigan mo yan ha.
Nako.
Pabale, pautang, pa-advance.
Okay lang, normal lang yun sa akin. PM lang sa akin. PM lang kayo guys.
Anyway, ito papakita ko sa inyo sa likuran. Akala namin yung isang malaking cruise ship sa likuran, tourist cruise ship na bumababa dito tapos nagtutour. Tapos sabi ni MK, ay si MK oh. Sabi ni MK, that's the ship of the king, the Sultan of Oman. Grabe oh. So imagine niyo, naka-flood control din dito si King oh. Joke lang, grabe ganyan, kayaman ng king. He owns the entire country. He owns the entire land of Oman. Nandito kami ngayon, appreciating the seagulls. Wala tayong seagulls sa Philippines. So, ang daming seagulls dito. And yun lang, enjoying my time with the two girls dito na nakabase sa Dubai,
Oman,
UAE,
Dubai.
Middle East. And yun lang, ano message mo sa mga gusto sumama sa ganito?
Okay, para sa mga nangangarap dyan at may mga aspiration, as in, hindi mo akalain na ang Middle East, ganito pala siya kaganda. And sinong makakapag-akala na from the province sa Philippines, nakatungtong kami dito na hindi siya na na mapera na. 'Di ba?
Sabi ko nga kanina, still after 8 months dito sa Middle East, I still can't believe na nandito ako. Grabe, na nandito ako na sobrang daming pera na. Ay, sorry, nakita ninyo.
Huwag kayong maniwala.
Huwag kayong maniwala sa mga sabi-sabi
Vlog
na,
lang to, vlog lang to.
na mahirap ako. Vlog lang to, pero
Totoo.
mga kababayan ko dyan sa Pilipinas.
Uy, wow.
Ay,
Anyway, so nandito kami for the next, pahawak Ivy. So nandito kami for the next, overnight na kami dito. We cross the border coming from UAE. So Dubai, tas UAE, Fujairah, nag-cross kami ng border Oman. Total travel time namin. Siguro ang daming stops. Nag-visit din kami ng maraming mosques. Siguro total of 4 hours. Yun lang, na-appreciate ko siya. Actually, it reminds me of, ang pangalan sa Spain, parang Marbella, Spain ata yun. Close to the coastline na, crossing Spain, going to Morocco. So parang ganito rin yung feeling, ganito rin yung vibe. Ganda-ganda niya. Tsaka habang nagpa-vlog ako, ititiradurin ko rin ang ingay eh. Pwede ba patahimikin mo? Nagpa-vlog ako dito, pwede ba?
Come guys, let's go to the other place.
Lang nung landscape nila dito. Kasi kung makikita mo yung landscape nila, para and yung mga Rocky Mountains na yon, tsaka yung white architecture nila. Kung mapapansin nyo lahat ng building sila dito, puro all white. Kasi ano talaga dito, parang yun yung uniform color ng city nila. Ganda.
Meron ka sir today? Gusto mo pa?
Sometime.
Gorgeous. Really beautiful. Thank you for bringing us, MK.
See, there's a fountain which is happening there.
So we are now entering the old city of Muscat. What's the name?
Old city. This is called
Old city of Muscat.
And we are
Ganda.
just nearby to the palace.
Really feels European. So before we went to Spain, traveled all the way down to Marbella, crossing the closest Spanish, what do you call that, city area that's close to Morocco.
Okay.
So the weather feels the same, and even the landscape. And then they have nice structures here, like low, nice structures.
Yayaya din dati si Ma'am Nerissa dito, sir.
Take a look at the
Kaso
front.
tourist pa kami dati, hindi pa kami makalabas.
Magano kayo?
Opo.
So nandito ka na. So we're here at the palace area at ganda. Okay, so we are at the palace. We're at the gate of the palace, right?
Yes.
This is the gate.
Yes.
That's the palace.
Palace of Sultan.
Palace of Sultan. And we're here in the middle. Grabe oh. This entire place, this entire grounds. Lupa lang talaga ng king. Hirap ma-imagine no, na may ganitong klaseng wealth. Hindi ko masasabing enjoying kasi feeling ko from the mindset and point of view of the king, pag ganito, you're just ruling the land. You're just taking care of the entire land, your people. Hindi naman sila pumupunta dito tapos sasabihin, wow, I'm rich. I think kung lumaki ka sa ganitong mundo, you're beyond that. Usually yung concept lang naman sa atin ng rich, siguro mga taong trying to make it in life, trying to buy more material stuff. Pero from the point of view of king, I would assume parang it's just a day-to-day thing that they have to rule, govern, manage, organize their kingdom. So yun lang, very interesting at ang ganda ng Oman. Okay, so are we gonna do a short trek? So middle of the sun, tanghaling tapat, and may cricket. People are playing cricket. Naglalaro sila ng cricket. So ganito, in the middle of the sun. Grabe ang laro nila. Grabe. Gitnahan na ang araw. Sobrang init. Partida, ano pa ngayon hindi pa peak ng summer. Pero sobrang init. Tanghaling tapat, naglalakad kami. Pinagtatrek kami ni MK. So nandun sila. Kasi ito may mga nagki-cricket sa tabi namin. No? So we are still in Oman area, in the old part of the city ng Muscat. And may dinadaanan na kaming route dito na magiging scenic siya pag-akit dito sa mga rocky formations na to. Nakakatawa. Parang ito yung basketball nila dito. They're playing cricket. Wow. MK, don't fall down. I can't catch you. Wow. How did you know about this spot, MK?
Coming from playground at like 6. Where you lined up?
This is the hideout. This is a secret spot no one is talking about. Sige, game. Lakas loob mo Go, slide. Sit down and slide. Yan, okay, boy. Oh, message sa Madrid. Message sa Madrid.
I survived finally.
Inaabot ko na ang tuktok ng Oman. Check this out. Finally, naakit ko na ang pinakatuktok ng Oman. Naabot ko na ang success. And finally, makakauwi na tayo sa bahay natin sa Pilipinas. So ito, naglalaro sila ng... Bababa na kami. So nag-trek kami all the way here. Nag-trek kami to see that. Gusto mo picture mo? Picturean kita.
Ako, sir?
Si Ivy. Okay, last one. Finally, Team Oman hit their targets.
Yes.
We're at the top. We're at the top.
Top performers of SP Metric.
Not at the top of the industry, just at the top of the mountain. Top of Oman.
Be careful while getting down, guys.
You can become a tour guide just for this spot.
There are several places where I'm taking, which is all.
You discover it by yourself. Yeah, so umakyat kami doon. It's a secret location, so we can't disclose. But if you want to find it, the clue is someone should be playing cricket at this time. If no one is playing cricket, maybe it's the wrong location. Okay, tapos na tayo dito and siguro going to so we booked a villa here in Oman. Tinignan lang namin yung ano na yun, yung scenic spot na yun. And we're going somewhere else. Ganda na Oman. Must see when you are here in UAE, travel ka na dito, pero make sure you have ano yun? Multiple visa to live and enter again UAE.